Emma Kosini, this is the power of healing with Utabi. Ungowekethelo. Today I decided to kuluma nga something that I was watching, and it's not really something that was happening, but it's something that is happening to the family. So I want to speak about reincarnating family dynamics or family patterns. So I made a video ngakhuluma about the difference between generic curses and generational curses. Generic curses would be things that are said ngomlomo and end up occurring empilweni yomuntu. End up like we curse empilweni yomuntu. Generational curses would be things that are done to that family that is happening to that family, which is a generational curse. And then there is this thing that I speak about, abantu abangayazi. We speak about it a lot, which is a reincarnation of a spirit, reincarnation of a soul, where a soul or a spirit relives past traumas. Do you understand? It reincarnates to and relives past traumas, and then in those traumas, there has to be karmatic ties that need to be broken. So the spirit reincarnates so to sort out those karmatic ties. I explained that in one video. But I want to speak about this important one, which is reincarnating of a dynamic in a family. I've seen it with clients when we engage and through a consultation. What is that exactly? So what I was watching was this guy was saying to a girlfriend yake. So he's been promising to marry her. Umnikeza ama promise ring I3. And he says, so when he was interviewed, he said, no, ngenza kanjalo because ngiphuma ekhaya where my parents were divorcing and remarrying and divorcing. They did that 3 times. And unfortunately, the guy is not aware, which is now this is a dynamic that is happening to the whole family. So what would be a practical example of that in us now as Africans is that uthola ukuthi ukhokho mhlambe kuba khokho bakho ukhokho wakho nomkhulu balobolana kwaphelela lapha zange kuqhubeke ngomshado wesintu razange kuqhubeke ngomshado yayenzeka kugogo nomkhulu same thing balobolana akusaqhubeki kwenzeke ku bazali bakho akusakulotsholwane engaqhubeki nakuwe lotsholwene but akuqhubeki izinto. It's those reincarnating dynamics in a family that, and it's happening now. Let's say it could either happen to a immediate family or extended family. Do you understand? If it was something that was happening go Coco, it's probably going to affect even with your cousins and stuff. If it's something that was happening to your parents, it will probably okay na kubantwana bakho. So a lot of people are going through that. A lot of people uthola ukuthi there's a fear of some sort mhlambe makufika eindabeni zoku, or I think it's a practical example uthola ukuthi there's somebody was adopted, right? Now that person adopts somebody, and then nabantwana bakhe uthola ukuthi even the biological kids that they have, they would adopt. It's now a dynamic that is happening. It's an energy that is carried gule family. It's reincarnating in all generations, because ama reincarnating dynamics, they occur in all generations. It's a pattern that's going on in family. Now it's tricky with what I was watching. Guy is saying, I don't want to remarry a lot of times. I just want to be married once. But already the dynamic iyasebenza kuye, because the fact that you are promising 3 times and because you don't want to make that mistake, the promises already you've done it 3 times, because now it's created this fear of getting married, which of course, should you be married, it's going to create a fear of divorce, which is now going to lendo. affect you into making mistakes. Do you understand? If parents were married and got divorced, it's going to be easy for that child to make a decision of divorce. It's a dynamic that's happening ekhaya. If ekhaya uthola ukuthi mhlambe somebody or ukhokho divorced or wahlukana nomkhulu washada komunye umuzi, and then nani manje you go through second marriages, and a reincarnating dynamic is very tricky because it might not happen necessarily in the same way as it occurred the first time, but it's happening. So the guy is not aware ukuthi it's happening. It might not be the same way because of maybe the evolving of impilo esesiphila manje more than impilo beyiphilwa ngaleso sikhathi. But the dynamic is already happening. So a lot of people don't understand that ama dynamics with family continues. It might not be in a form that you would expect it to, but uthola ukuthi iyenzela when if you get somebody who knows about that particular thing, you would uzok-explainela ukuthi no, the dynamic kuwe iyenzeka kanje and connect the dots for you. So we need to sometimes sit back and think ukuthi okay, lento yayenzeka ekhaya kwayenzeka into so, and I'm currently going through it myself. Uyabona, but it's not exactly, but mangibheka le engihamba kuyo, it's the same, because abanye abantu they are stuck because of reincarnating dynamics in the family. Ifana nomkhokha, let me just say that ifana nomkhokha where something like in terms of death happened, mhlawumbe kwaba khona ohamba ngesibhamu, and then lo mkhokha ubuhlale njalo uyilandele leyo family. It's more or less the same thing. If bekukuthi ngiyinike igama, I would say ifana nomkhokha exactly. I did explain umkhokha ukuthi yini, but we need to be careful ukuthi sometimes the experiences that we are going through, guys, are not really our experiences, but experiences that had occurred before. You understand? So I just wanted to make that note ukuthi ezinye izinto awuziqhathanise, zibuke uziqhathanise if you can. If you are able to connect dots, you can tell ukuthi hayi man, u-1 no-2 no-3 is exactly what was happening ngomamncane ku-1 no-2 no-3, and then sometimes you would get your answers. The reincarnating of dynamics in a family, reincarnating of patterns in a family do happen a lot of times. It's just that we are not educated about, and we don't know them, and we don't know how to identify them. That's why singakwazi ukusolve ezinye inkinga. Yabo.